This video demonstrates how to use Google Drive in LlamaGen.AI to import images and generate comics. First, open the LlamaGen.AI website and click the Login button in the top right corner to enter the login page. Enter your account and password, then click Continue to log in. After a short wait, you will enter the comic creation interface. On the page, you will see a three-dot button. Click it, and you will find the Google Drive option. Click it, and the system will display an authorization prompt. Next, sign in with your Google account. Once authorization is complete, you will be able to see the image list from your Google Drive. Now select an image and click Select. The system will then begin importing the image. Now we can see that the image has been successfully imported into the system. Next, enter a comic story, for example, Lily is running in a park. Then click Generate. The system will start generating the comic automatically. After a short wait, the comic will be completed. Now we can see that the system has automatically generated a 4-panel comic. Okay. That's the main demonstration of importing images from Google Drive and generating comics.